it true that the ultimate prayer is that we need to go to Mecca?
The ultimate prayer?
Yeah. And then why do people like
you pray 5 times a day, but going to Mecca is like resetting your whole soul. You know what I mean? Like, if you can go there, if you can't go there, it's okay. You got to be financially fit. You got to be healthy. You know what I mean? You got to be willing to go. You got to do all of that. Yeah, but some people don't make it. But your ultimate prayer on a daily basis is 5 times a day.
5 times a day?
Yeah.
Why is it should be 5 times a day? So complicated. Yeah.
Because it's the way we design, and it suits this time frame of the world. So researchers in Europe did a research, and they figured out a human being needs to meditate 5 to 10 minutes a day, on average 3 to 5 times. One being morning, one being lunch,
Okay.
one being a little after lunch, one being at night, and one being before you go to bed. Islam, pray in the morning, you pray around lunchtime, you pray around midday, you pray at night, and before you go to bed. It's a reset. It's a reset of your soul. You got your worldly life, and you got your divine life. So you got your material, your being that you need to eat and be fit, and you have your soul. You need to feed your soul, and the way you feed your soul, you connect with divine energy. When you connect with divine energy, it's praying, and praying is meditating anyway.